When an update is available for the iQAN boom fold system on your Salford Air Boom, a bulletin will be sent to all relevant dealers with the update file and instructions. To find all the latest software files for the iQAN system, go to the Salford Dealer Portal and log in. From the home page, you can scroll and find the ECU Software Updates option under the Resources heading. Once in the Software Updates section, find the relevant software file for the machine that you are wanting to update. Once you click the link for the relevant machine, it will save to the Downloads file on your computer. You can then open your email and attach the software file. Then send it to yourself, which will allow you to open and download the software file to the same device that you have the iQAN Go Boom Fold app downloaded. Once the software update file has been downloaded, turn the machine on and open the iQAN Go app. You can then click the Connect to Machine option and connect to the relevant machine. Once connected, click Send to Machine under the Operations heading. Then click the software update file for the relevant machine. In this case, the machine being updated is an AB260CS. Once you've clicked on the file, click the Send button and confirm that you do want to send the updated software file to the machine you are connected to. Then, you will be asked to enter the update login information that was provided in the update bulletin. Once that is inputted, the updated software file will begin to upload. Once the upload is complete, a message will be displayed on the screen. Click OK, then back out to the home screen and disconnect from the machine. You can then reconnect and verify that everything is functioning as it should. With the updated Boom Fold software, your Salford Air Boom is ready for efficient operation in the field.